my goodness, this is crazy. This grab bar is amazing. I hope you enjoyed the full video. It's an epic one, some heartbreaks, but some cool stuff happened in the video. Hope you enjoyed. You ready? All right, let's go. My own base stopped it from going under. Well, don't have the base. If you don't have the base, it would just jump off. Easy. I got the base. Okay, whatever. Let's put it under water a little bit so we could like let's go park. Don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna do it. This is the TV Nation Lite Air Skiff, and this thing is totally worth your money. And this is how it looks when you buy it. It may not have this cover here, but it does have the bow mount and the cooler rack. And I'm gonna drop an affiliate link down below, as well as a coupon code that's gonna save you some money. ALIEXFOLGUEIRA. You should totally take a look at this, and you'll see why in this video. Let me go put this on the front, and I'm gonna record getting out of Black Point. This is crazy. I said I'm gonna go even if it rains. Well, I'm here. It is raining. Let's get out of here. Why is it raining? Gosh. It's raining even harder now. The things you gotta do. I need to use the SS strap to secure the auto bow system before we open it. I clearly did not prepare for this. I go like, oh, I could put auto bow easy there, big deal. But you know, the other stuff, hey, we're gonna make it as we go. That's what's up. Good thing about this today is that I have that amazing cooler there, that if everything goes to shit, the cooler is gonna survive because it floats. Look, no tundering, so that's epicness, right? Like, if you think about it, guys, this is like epic. This is what you dream, this is what you sign up for. High tide, cloudy skies, raining. Look, Snooks may be wanting to eat something, you know. Now let me get some of that water. Oh no. That didn't just happen. I just freaking lost a GoPro, man. The 12. I mean, I think you saw it. I went to get a water and I opened it. That sucks, bro. I don't know what kind of footage I have in there, but I mean, that GoPro was sort of broken. But it sucks. Right now, losing that GoPro doesn't like hurt me. Like right now, I'm like fine, whatever, big deal. But I know later I'm gonna reflect on this, and I'm gonna be so pissed that I lost it. I'll be sad. I mean, just put it like this. I'm here to film this video. If this video makes $20, it's too much. And I just lost a $400 GoPro. Think about that. Let me get the water. All right, let's moor the GoPro later. Let's get out of here through here. The 27 Skiff and stuff could get out. It's high tide. The sea looks amazing. Can't believe I freaking lost that GoPro, bro. Let's wide open it, guys. We're about 1,000 feet from land. We're not in the channel. I think we're on a plane. I'm gonna go ahead and fix my motors and stuff over there because I already lost the GoPro. I don't want to keep losing stuff. I don't know why I put this motor on this boat before and it didn't know what was forward and reverse. I put it on the other dinghies and it knows what is forward and what is reverse, but for some reason in this boat it doesn't know. I don't know what the problem is though. It's fine, I guess. I want to go ahead and do a sea trial with this setup that I have right here. I will run it hard and have some issues, which I'm gonna tell you about later in this video. But for now, let me just go ahead and get it started and just go, you know, through the spaces. We're in gear right here. It's idle. It's kind of like at the lowest possible speed that we could go with the 9.9, and we're marking at 2.7 miles an hour. Let's say this is like 25%. We're getting 6 miles an hour, which is way faster than a kayak, let me tell you. The seas are a little rough. I mean, you can tell I'm super wet. It's been raining like crazy, but I'm here to do this video. I mean, I'm committing now after losing that. I don't know, I think I paid 400 bucks for that camera because I bought two. I spent like 800 bucks with insurance and everything, and the camera is gone now. Let's do 75%. This is good enough for 14 miles. 15 miles. It's showing me 13 to 15 miles an hour. Let me just run it again. Why open it? I guess that was a bad idea. It stopped raining. I'm gonna go ahead and do another water demo. Okay, water demo time, dude. Water demo time, dude. Okay, let's do it. Having big issues with this motor, man. Right now, like I couldn't put it in neutral. Let's try to put it on neutral. Let's see. Let me fix my kill switch. All right, look what happens if I try to put it on neutral, right? It's gonna start accelerating, then it's gonna do something crazy. That is neutral and it's like super accelerated. It wants to change gear. See, something is not right. Anyways, now time to fix it. Let's go back to, let's do the run quick because I think the weather is nicer now, and go do some fishing. All right, we are very legal here because we're outside at 1,000 feet and we're outside the channel. So this right here is about 8 miles an hour. I'm gonna run it quick, guys, because I mean, you already seen part of the video where I ran it before, but I just want to get a final reading on how fast to go. That camera may go to hell, but let's do it. 16 miles an hour. Oh my god, I'm bouncing myself on the boat. It's breaking everything. 18, 17.4, 18.2. Good. I may not have a trolling motor after this. 17.9, 18 and a half, 18. Alright, so we saw 18, 18 and a half, and we're hitting some stuff. So let's go back towards the channel and run it again and see what kind of speeds we get that way. If I didn't lose that $400 camera, $450 to be exact, something like that, I'll be so happy right now. Because things are, I mean, the motor is running fast. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay, maximum speed towards the channel, 18.8, 19, 19.4. Oh my goodness. 19.1, 18.7, 19.2. 19.3. Okay, I think that's the maximum, 19 point something. Don't want to get too close to the channel because rocks. I think we've done enough running. Now let's see if this setup is a good setup for fishing, if my trolling motor is still alive. I need to do some work on this. Like, I need to put the head back, but then find something to kind of like some foam or something to hold the head down and strap it nicely, like maybe to put 3 straps on that trolling motor so there's no bouncing, anything like that. I like that setup that I have right there, but I do maybe want to have a shoulder aluminum, I guess. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this boat. If I'm gonna keep it, I'm gonna do a better setup for the trolling motor there, and a better setup for the seat here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's see if we could just turn this on. What? I didn't do this before. Why open it? Okay, what do we have here? Ladyfish. This time I got you, ladyfish. You jump on the boat. Ladyfish! Fish on board! Could have used it for bait, but nope. Alright. The tiny little drum. And I'm very nervous right now.
2, 1.
Oh my god. Supposed to follow me. Our boat is completely maximum speed. Let's bring it back. Not coming back. Oh my God. You didn't want to come to me, Droney. Oh. Okay, let's do this again.
4 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
Good.
The aircraft is now recording. Once filming is complete, tap I'm done filming on your device to enter the landing section of the tutorial. Move your palm directly under the aircraft and it will land automatically. Critically low battery warning. Landing. Aircraft landing automatically.
That was a crazy experience. It doesn't work with moving objects on the water. I wouldn't put a 9.9 on this. I mean, you could do it for fun, but like to hardcore fish, you're better off with a 6, a 5, heck, even an electric one, or just out of boat. But I wouldn't go bigger than 6 on this.